phone is not working.
I'm removing it. Sometimes technology really challenges. Ankur, from your team, who would be there?
Yeah, with me we have our senior vice president, Mr. Rajiv Ji. Rajiv Ji is the, as I mentioned, takes care of solutions and delivery here. Um, I thought that I will join from his cable only, so I'm here. And uh, just to avoid the echo, we both are joining for the same system. Yeah, so Rajiv Ji is here on the screen.
Hi, Mr. Sabal.
Yeah, so we have Dr. Paul. He is the deputy director at Sadhan. Sangeeta ma'am and Abhish Ji also there from Sadhan team.
A long time I've not met Sadhan team. Thanks, Ethan, Ankur, for organizing this.
Oh,
Yeah.
do you know us?
Yeah, I know Sadhan very well because I've been associated with multiple microfinancing companies. And
Okay.
I've
No,
earlier been heading audit and risk for Satya Micro Capital.
Means I'm not talking about this your brand Sadhan. I'm talking about the people who are working. Have you met anyone?
Yeah, I thought we would have met somewhere. And I've been in the industry last 40 years plus. So
then there is a possibility.
So various banking solutions organization, various events I have visited, I must have met across somewhere.
Sure.
18, 19 must have met somewhere.
This world is very small.
What is very small?
Yeah, very small people. We bump to each other in multiple time. Sometimes we do not recognize. So we were having a meeting with this ADB, and that person was telling me that, oh, I was in the Ministry of Finance. You used to come with one ma'am, and I was like, okay. Then I could remember. Okay, he was a director in Ministry of Finance. Now he's in ADB. Interesting. Good. हमारा ही काम आगे बढ़ता है. So I was particularly very interested. So let me introduce. So you know me, Sangeeta is working in our team. She is heading the capacity building side, and also she is looking after insurance product and technology. And I have another colleague, Ambarish. Ambarish is the head of North Zone of Sadhan, and he is gradually picking up this technology side jointly with Sangeeta. And I do have another colleague. He is Devinder. He works with us. He is basically, he works with the facilitation, then your banking side. So he also somehow is related with this technology, and he has interest in technology. So we thought to let us also learn from you people all together that what are you doing and what exactly you are doing in the segment of microfinance, and what are you looking for, what are the challenges in the sector, what can we do for the sector. It will be good to know from you because you are the practitioner of this segment. And if you can introduce yourself as well.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Paul, for detailed introduction of the entire team. Thank you, and very good afternoon, everyone. Greetings from my end.
Hi, Mr. Ankur. Sorry, your voice is breaking.
Yeah, I thought that it's only my system is having that problem.
No. Your voice is clear enough, but Mr. Ankur's voice is breaking.
Can you hear us well now?
Still, there is these grains, but it is, I think, better, possibly. But the grains are there.
Okay. So I'm going to cover up some portion about what we have done. So we are Sarvosys Solutions is a software development company. Is it clear now or not?
No, the grains are there, but still you continue.
Okay, so we are in a software development company into the space of business process management and document management system, because these are the two components which helps you to do any workflow implementation the way it is required. So end-to-end workflow management of any business process which can be done on a business platform tool, and that Sarvosys, what we have implemented first time in microfinance industry at ESAF Small Finance Bank, wherein they are using our solution for end-to-end joint liability group, self-help group, and micro enterprise loans, which they are sanctioning. They're also using it for doing CASA for this thing.
Yeah, just a sec. Let me just correct my mic things. Is it better, sir, or it's just still same?
It is not.
Same. Almost
Just-
same.
If you speak now, then we can check whether your bandwidth.
Please allow me to join the meeting again. I'm just disconnecting and will join again. Allow me a sec, please. Dr. Paul, I have rejoined the meeting. I hope my voice is clear now.
No, unfortunately. Can you stop your camera and speak? Then I can check. Now you.
Yeah. So basically,
I think this is better. Yeah, please carry on.
yeah. So Rajivji was just sharing about our company introduction and all. I'll just quickly share my screen and we'll take it ahead. Host disabled is 10 days. Sangeeta ma'am, I believe you are the host. If you can please allow me to share my screen, please. I'm getting messages host disabled attendee screen sharing. Yeah, it's there now. Thank you. Yeah, sir, hope my screen is visible now. So we are basically an Indian software product company. We are registered. We are a Delhi-based company. We have office here in Noida. Apart from this, we have regional offices in Mumbai and Chennai.
So we have 300 plus people and 200 plus business processes we have implemented across various banks and NBFCs. So this is a glimpse of two products, which is Sarvosys and Sarvodocs. Sarvosys is a BPM platform and Sarvodocs is enterprise-wide document management system, based on which we have done all the implementation of complete assets in banks like ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. We've done the corporate lending and SME, MSME lending for them. We also done microfinancing for ESAF. We have done credit card issuance for ICICI Bank, home loan for Suryodaya Small Finance Bank, lab mortgage for iFinance and other NBFCs, multiple retail loans for multiple banks and NBFCs, and gold loan for ICICI as well as ICICI Housing Finance. Then agri loan has been done completely for ICICI Bank end to end, including the Kisan Credit Card and Kisan Vijay Bima Yojana, Fasal Bima Yojana of Pradhan Mantri. That is also being done. We have done the complete onboarding solution for savings account and.
How did you do this Kishan credit card?
Kisan Credit Card we have implemented ICICI Bank.
What did you
ICICI
do?
Bank.
Yeah, what did you do in that?
So the complete sanctioning of loan process for agri loans is being done by us for them, which
So
covers
origination
to the sanctioning of loan.
Hmm.
And the credit card settlement, credit card uploading of limits, the way it is requested, the way it is sanctioned is being given. So a KCC card is issued by ICICI Bank to farmers, and they utilize the loan through the credit card payoffs.
Okay.
And this your recent scheme, which last year Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is being incorporated, that has also been implemented by us for them.
Okay.
And this is a savings account, both for joint and individual account. And in case of ESAF, that's the only bank come as NBFC where the account is also opened along with the JLG account opening. So when the JLG account is opening and any of the member of the JLG group does not have the savings account with ESAF, they are requested to open that account in ESAF bank itself. So that is also being done from the same mobile application. So both are interlinked.
So it is for their BC operations, right?
It is for BC as well as the bank operations.
Oh.
Sir, if I am not wrong, Saibal sir, and DFIL is also doing this.
Which
Now
one?
they are opening their saving account with IndusInd Bank, BFIL.
BFIL was is doing now, but it was not done from the same application. So it is the they've been using this account opening as well as the loan account opening together from the same mobile for more than 2 years now at ESAF.
Okay.
So the complete fixed deposit record, recurring deposit, term deposit, daily deposit schemes.
See, all these things are these are market solutions, and people are using it. People are providing it. People are using it. What I am basically interested in, and how are you like using AI for your operations and also helping this institution? How are you doing that? And that's what I am looking
I'll
for.
explain it. I'll just explain it.
Sir, my question is, hello.
Hello, Amarish.
My question is how AI can help our MFIs to get good customer, worthy customer, since the default rate is very high. How we can,
I mean, that's what I
how
am
AI
also
can
looking
help
for.
in onboarding the customers.
In the whole ecosystem, how are they using this AI, and also what's your experience and what are the
Sir,
challenges?
as far as my information is concerned, the only company which is using AI in a very massive way is L&T. L&T का जो AI है वो बहुत स्ट्रांग है सर, बट वो साथ में बहुत कॉस्टली भी है, तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत सारे एमएफआई को छोटे एमएफआई यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे.
Yeah, please carry on. We're looking forward.
Hello.
Yes, yes, we are.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes. If you can
So
put it in slide mode, would be helpful for us.
can you put the slide mode?
I think now it's come. Yes, very much.
Yes. So I'll just go to the go to the next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Current. No. This is also you can. Here the other. Here is screens are there. 1 minute. Let me just show you the 1 minute. Let me open my screens. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm just sharing my screen. Some problem in Anko's machine, and that's why I had to swap my machine. Can you see my screen? The scene has changed. This is Gen AI based classified document recognition. Is it what you see?
Yes, we can see it.
So what happens in this? You have instead of doing manual KYC, because the only thing which JLG works is on KYC base. So Aadhaar has to be screened properly. So what is happening? A lot of pipelining is happening in the industry. Okay, pipelining. All of you are aware because you are all from microfinance business, and people don't give their own Aadhaar, but somebody else's Aadhaar is used, and multiple people are using same Aadhaar for getting the loans, and that's the whole problem. And so wherever it fails drastically because pipelining fails. Chain of people are being funded for one businessman, and 20, 30 odd ladies are taking loan and
No,
giving
tell
it.
me one thing, how one Aadhaar can be used for accessing multiple loans, like multiple people, how one Aadhaar can be utilized by multiple people to access loan?
Because the customer ID and Aadhaar ID is not unique in all the cases. That's the whole problem in a lot of software. So
Customer,
low profile software is being used. They're not checking even the validity of Aadhaar. So when I do a tampering of Aadhaar, so my number is say last 4 digits is 5772, sir. And I go and change it to 5773, 5774. So these are not continuous basis number which are available in Aadhaar. And if I don't go and check the validity of 5773 is valid on UIDI or not, it is not compulsory for them to go and check. So all the pipelining cases are wrong numbers. So there's a utility which comes from UIDI, which is supposed to be run by microfinance companies, which says whether the card number is valid or not. So that's first utility. 80% of the business applications are not using that. Second, it should go and check on the Aadhaar whether the number has matched and it is unique or not. So pre so why EWS has come in for microfinance? It has come for EWS mainly come for all the KYC related documents. So there's a AI based enablement. What I'm trying to show you is a Gen AI based solution where the identification of KYC document will be done. And we have done successfully for Aadhaar. We have done it for Voters ID, we have done it for PAN card, we have done for passport, we have also done it for a driving license if required. And in general, in India now, 90% of the places is Aadhaar is available, right? And lots of microfinance companies have said that Aadhaar is must. Am I right, sir?
No, I mean partially.
Okay.
Because
So,
as a not as a if you get the registration of e-Aadhaar, then only NBFCs they can access this E1. Otherwise, many MFIs they are not till now they are not licensed to get it. And as a not for as a non-government of institution, they are not supposed to be like this store the data. Store the
they
data
cannot
means
store the data.
store the your this Aadhaar. They
They're not
cannot.
supposed
Mask
to.
Aadhaar possibly they can do, but not the Aadhaar.
So masked Aadhaar is they're supposed to gather, right?
They
Uh,
are possibly yes, but not the total number. Yeah,
what is
whole
supposed to
number.
happen at the time they get the full card, because the ladies come with the full card, it is not masked when it is given to them. They're
Right.
supposed to store and store only masked data with them.
Mm.
We provide that utility also.
Mm.
Okay, we have done it for multiple large banks also, and we also done Aadhaar masking for L&T Finance also. L&T Finance is my customer for Sarvosys, which is a document management system.
Okay.
So they have around 160 terabyte of storage of documents. Okay. What happens when you do a scan of a document here in a Gen AI based? I will be able to run, I will run a utility which will say whether Aadhaar number which is given as per the logic of UIDI, it's a valid number or not. If it's not a valid number, it will reject that card. That means any tempered card, Aadhaar, right, will not be going for even validation to UIDI site, because that's a money they have to pay for getting it verified.
Right. But tell me, how are you doing? What is your backend process of this?
So we are using an LLM software, and using the LLM software, I will implement this Aadhaar AI enablement. Aadhaar AI enablement, what will do, it will based on the document which is in a scan, whether it is Aadhaar or PAN or voter's ID, I will be able to recognize based, because these formats are different. And as the information is picked, it will go and get stored in my database. I will, while picking if it is Aadhaar, I will even mask that. What
Okay.
will get
So
stored?
if somebody has tampered, your system will get to understand that it is tampered one, right?
So suppose my number is 5772, last 4 digits,
Right.
and I go and temper it to 5773.
Right.
So, as per business logic of Aadhaar, UIDI
Hmm.
logic, which is
Hmm.
available, I'll be able to cross tell you that 5773 is a tampered number. It is not a valid number as per the site of UIDI. I don't have to pay for these charges. I have to only run a utility to confirm whether the number is valid or not. First, the number which is entered is the same number which is being for which the data is fetched. I'll go and check a deduplication, whether this number already exists. So that means deduplication should not happen, right?
Okay.
One Aadhaar is for one person, not for more than one person.
Right.
So suppose what is happening in villages, a lady has taken a loan. This relationship manager knows that lady. Now next cycle she is not taking the loan. Somebody else wants to take the loan, but that Aadhaar is going through a problem. That lady has taken a loan and not repaid back. So what this guy will do, will get this new person loan on the old ID of that old lady, because they know she is not taking the loan, because they're so closely associated with them. So now
Okay.
it's a new customer ID with old Aadhaar number. Understood?
Right.
These are basic challenges in this industry.
Okay.
I did the audit, so I have all the various kind of knowledge what is being happening in the industry, because I've gone to multiple locations of the Satya Micro Capital.
Okay.
And we were doing audits of that kind. And similarly, since I'm a consultant here in Sarvosys Solutions, I've guided them how we can catch these problems. Okay. So this one is identifying that the same person who's applying for loan has the Aadhaar is of her only. Verification has to be done. If in case the relationship manager, branch manager, and the credit manager, the three are aligned and they want to give loan to a businessman in that village, then only random checks can be caught on, then only they will be going through this. Otherwise, if you allow this, your system is allowing multiple person with same Aadhaar, you can't hold, you can't catch them. Unique ID of a customer is very important. Afterwards. So why RBI has come out?
Your voice is not coming to us.
What I'm saying is in account pipelining, the businessman has taken loan, say a brick kiln guy, owner, wants a loan. So what he does, he has 20 workers working in brick kiln.
Yeah.
So all the 20 ladies, wives of these workers, will come and join. So if they don't have account number, there are cases being found where same account number is of all the ladies because they're not checking. Uniqueness of bank ID is should be compulsory from Sadhan and MFIN, which is now has come as a clause under the early warning system. But early warning system, I don't think MFIs will be implementing so easily until unless you make it mandatory for them.
So apart from this AI detection, how are you using it?
So one is when we are detecting this, we can also pick up all the information, right? So all name, your father's name, husband's name, date of birth, your address, all this data will come from the Aadhaar card and that will get populated. That will get stored. So this is GenAI based. So once it is happening, you additionally you want to go and check on the UIDA, it will go and check on the UIDA. Otherwise, UIDA is not required. Then the second one is your, so this is how we do the masking step. You can do masking of name, you can do masking of QR code, you can mask all the data or 8 digits, so 8 digits have to be masked. So all this possibility. Software allows any kind of masking. So that's what we are trying to show. Encryption can also be done for all PII data. This is the first part of AI.
Okay.
Second is we can also pick up the information from this is not required for microfinancing, but we have done this also in AI. And we can pick up the statement like balance sheet, P&L statement. So we can pick up all information of this for last 3 years. So business loan and all, it becomes very handy. So that's another part of AI. So you have a scanned image of the balance sheet and the PL statement, financial reports. The LLM tool helps me to pick up because these are very standard fields. What is the revenue? What is the losses, profit? So all those things of the last 3 years, I can pick up directly from these statements. Next is we can do comparison. can you see the semantic comparison? Record, chronicle of tools, record of tools. So any agreement, anything which we are filling up, this is also two documents can be compared with. And we can choose what is right required or not. Chronicle is required to be captured or record is required to be captured finally. This is another way of doing AI. Is you can summarize the document. This is a 200-page document. I want to summarize that. That is also doable by AI now. It may not be useful in MFI. MFI only the sir, MFI has only basic minimal thing that you do an unsecured loan based on the joint liability commitment of people who are coming. So KYC is the most important aspect, and the second important aspect is your credit bureau check, right?
Right.
Otherwise, you have to ensure that the you're doing your reason for loan, what the lady will be doing, how, why, how, and how she will make money and return that money and time every time. So the loan utilization check is very important in MFI business, which some of the MFIs are not following fully. And that's the reason of they are getting more NPAs and all. Because if the lady has not started the business for which she has taken the loan, she might have consumed it for some other use case, the money, and she won't be able to return. Until unless she is generating money, how will she pay 21% or 18% or 19%?
No, but how will you get it?
So what will happen? You have to get the LUC check done. So LUC is a check where you are asking that lady.
I know. LUC, I know. But like, I mean, after LUC, what will you do?
If she has not started, you have to use tactics of the person going and following it up. When are you going to start this? In the
But
group, people
how your AI will help in it?
AI can't help. AI only can say whether it has been updated or not, whether she has started using the funds for the same purpose or not. That too, if it is properly entered. If it is not entered and wrongly entered, you can't do anything in AI.
Here is a small catch.
हाँ,
अगर concerned MFI or MFI officials have not updated the data,
हाँ,
have not updated the LUC, then
हाँ.
how AI can help us to get the report?
देखिए, यदि सिस्टम खराब है और एमएफआई ने डिसाइड कर लिया कि उन्हें एनपीए करना है तो ये होगा
नहीं नहीं एनपीए करना नहीं है. many देखिए प्लीज, माय अप्रोच इज बिट प्रैक्टिकल. बहुत सारे समय पे एमएफआई जो लोन लेते हैं वो मल्टीपल 2-3 सोर्सेस से सोर्स करते हैं किसी एक बिजनेस को करने के लिए. 1 लाख रुपए से 1.5 लाख रुपए का बिजनेस का इंटरप्राइज का कॉस्ट होता है.
यस.
और टिकट साइज को देखते हुए इन द गिवन सर्कमस्टांसेस वो इतना लोन एक एमएफआई से ले नहीं पाते हैं. तो अब दो लोगों ने, अब मान लो एट द गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम किसी क्लाइंट को 3 एमएफआई से लोन लिया हुआ है. अब किसी एक ने भी अगर अपडेट कर दिया है एलयूसी, तो क्या आपका जो एआई वो सिंक कर लेगा, या किसी ने नहीं किया है तो आपका एआई सिंक डेटा सिस्टम उसको सिंक नहीं कर पाएगा?
देखिए, यदि 3 कंपनी से उसने लोन लिया है, तीनों को सेम रीजन दिया है,
हाँ,
तो भी लॉजिकली शी माइट बी यूजिंग द फंड्स for the same activity, but the loan is being taken to 3 times the value, right? उतना इनकम उसकी जनरेट नहीं हो रही जितना उसने लोन ले रखा है. अपनी कैपेसिटी से अधिक लोन ले लिया, ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
See, capacity is 2 lakh rupees outstanding cap.
Right.
और जो एक बफेलो है, मिल्क एनिमल है, a good buffalo is costing around 1.5 lakh.
ठीक है.
In that case, how do your system help us to get the details, whether the LUC has been followed, whether the client has initiated the said income generation activity or not?
सर, इसमें देखिए सारे चेक्स लगा सकते हैं हम. तो जो चेक्स के अगेंस्ट उसने एंटर कर दिया कि ये चेक ठीक है, तो सिस्टम कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. यदि उन्होंने टिक कर दिया है कि एलयूसी चेक हुआ और द लेडी हैज स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट बिजनेस, बट ऑल द 3 बिजनेसेस आर 3 डिफरेंट लोन यूटिलाइजेशन दे रखा है. यदि मेरे वाले में अलग यूटिलाइजेशन है, दूसरे वाले में अलग यूटिलाइजेशन है, एंड लोन यूटिलाइजेशन चेक मेरे को दिख रहा है, राइट? आई एम एबल टू रीड थ्रू फ्रॉम द क्रेडिट ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, व्हिच जनरली एलयूसी चेक वहां पे अपडेटेड नहीं है इन ऑल द,
होता ही नहीं है,
होता ही नहीं है।
उसमें तो होगा
होता
नहीं।
ही नहीं है उसमें,
हाँ,
एलओसी का तो
वो
कोई
किसी में, वो
आप
क्रेडिट ब्यूरो में है ही नहीं चेक सर।
होता ही नहीं है, सिस्टम ही नहीं
हाँ,
है ना।
तो क्रेडिट ब्यूरो से मेरे को कैसे पता चलेगा? ये तो हमारी माइक्रो फाइनेंस की जो टीम जा रही है,
हाँ,
रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर, उसी के अपडेट पे है और रैंडम चेक्स ऑफ ऑडिट के उस पे है। तो जिन जगह पे ऑडिट ज्यादा काम कर रहा है, क्वार्टरली ऑडिट हो रहे हैं या मंथ हाफिली ऑडिट हो रहा है, वहां पे कम एनपी है।
तो ये
जहाँ पे,
आप
हाँ,
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं अंकुर जी। मेरा क्वेश्चन भी यही है कि एआई कैसे हेल्प करेगा एलयूसी में।
तो एलयूसी में ये नहीं कर पाएगा, ये तभी कर पाएगा यदि मेरे वो अपडेट करने की फैसिलिटी अपडेट की और सही अपडेट की। रेंडमली तो मैं ये चेक कर सकता हूँ कि भाई एलयूसी हैज बीन पॉजिटिव और नॉट, राइट,
नहीं
दिस
तो
आई कैन
वो तो
चेक
वो तो
फ्रॉम
वो
माय
तो वो तो
सॉफ्टवेयर।
नॉर्मल डेटाबेस में उनकी एंट्री होती है
हाँ
एलयूसी।
हाँ हाँ, तो
यस यस नो नो यस
तो-
यस, उसमें तो फिर
हाँ, तो
एआई
वो तो
उसमें कोई
है।
बहुत खास रोल नहीं देगा।
उसमें क्या होता है कि at this time the question will be asked again, is she continuing to use the same business or not? या जैसे आपका, आपने some lady selling milk, right?
So
And
one thing what I can understand that in this case AI is not going to be very helpful for us. If you
नो
put the
नो सर,
data,
केवाईसी
then
में आएगा,
only.
नो सर,
एआई का
बिकॉज
यूज
सिंस
केवल
द प्राइमरी
केवाईसी
प्राइमरी
फर्स्ट
सोर्स इज
लेवल।
एमएफआई ओनली, सो एआई
Right.
वोंट हेल्प अस।
AI won't help us in this case. But this your KYC thing is interesting. So
केवाईसी इज
they,
द
yeah,
मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट।
that's the interesting thing. So we can, okay. So apart
तो
from
वहां
that, do
पे,
you have anything? I have another meeting to jump in.
no, I
So
think I don't have, if you can tell me that this is your challenge, how will I cover up? I will guide
no, no. What I want to understand from you
you.
that you have worked in the sector, you have seen the challenges, and how AI is or AI can help us to overcome. One of the things what Ambaris was talking about that they have sourced it from three institutions. Can AI help us to understand that? No, I mean this it has been taken by multiple institutions, and the your this the output of that investment is not at par what it has been projected or something like this, which will strengthen our market. That's what I was asking. That
नहीं,
if
it's
you
only
have
sir,
seen any challenges, then if
I
you
think
have seen any challenges, then have you overcome that one? That would be good to understand. So it's not upfront. I mean, sometimes it happens that you also take your time to sync the thing, and you have done something which you can also I
no, I
mean
was
help us to
talking,
understand.
sir, it's
Then
only the KYC part, nothing else.
okay,
For
KYC, na?
so it is
Right,
only
right.
KYC part to the extent of saying, identifying the document what is being given,
Okay.
okay, and extracting that information, securing that data, and ensuring that you have 100% unique ID being maintained. So that is what I
Right,
can do
right.
using my software.
Right, 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 right. Good, 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 good,
Uh,
good. That's also a significant help for the institution. This deduplication needs to be done. I have seen that this kind of problems are there.
But
So,
but
I
but
mean,
but Tribal sir, there is a one catch. Yeah, one my query is simple. In case there is a case of ringleaders or pipelining, they generally tends to provide unique ID.
mhm.
और आफ्टर दैट सेंटर मीटिंग नहीं हो रही है, पेमेंट रीपेमेंट एक ही पॉइंट से आ रहा है, सिंगल पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट से, तो एआई हमारी वहां कैसे मदद करेगा?
when
नहीं,
you are
तो वो आ
accessing,
जाएगा।
when
वो
you
तो
are
क्या होता है,
accessing when you are
कैसे
accessing
एक्सेस
this is, if
सर?
you see this one, they are telling that when you are accessing the loan, and if somebody is using this your Aadhaar card for multiple sourcing, then it will catch. That's what they are telling, that that's
हाँ
also a
हाँ,
substantial help, isn't it?
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली।
Deduplication and everything. It's also substantial help. I mean, I got your point. It's a good one. It's a definitely good one. Let us start kind of rolling on. And if you have
जैसे
anything in your like in your experience that if you want to, because we are also thinking to pull together a couple of people and also start exploring that what are the challenges in this segment. We could, I mean, what I'll do, I will once we construct everything, then we will come back to you Then Sangeeta will come back to you and then can take this discussion forward.
Right. That will be fine. Looking
Thank
forward to
you.
it. So
Thank you.
I'll do my best to contribute to this cause. And there are a lot of EWS factors which we discussed internally for microfinance business.
Right,
So
right.
what Devinder is asking, and Devinder or Amrish asked was
Ambarish.
Yes.
Amrish asked that this is how will we check that it is coming from one single source? That is easily doable because nowadays a lot of companies are taking UPI payments. So we should promote payment being made through a bank rather than paying cash dealing. A lot of companies are supporting this cause, but the cash collection is still not closing down.
No, it won't be. India is not at all cash. What do you call it? Cashless society.
Very
It
true.
is in the apparent. I mean, in that this your what do you call it, creamy level? It is cashless, but when you go deep down, possibly it is not that much what we think. Second thing, the class customers of microfinance are into such this such activity. Probably cash is the king over there. Third thing, now another menace has come. I also want to understand, I mean, from the other sources, maybe that it is in the news that if you are using UPI for transfer more than 2000 rupees in one go, possibly, then you have to pay for it. So that's also another trouble we are foreseeing. Let us see what happens. But definitely, thank you for your time. Thank you. Thank you. We'll be coming back to you.
Thank you,
And
sir.
thanks for your time.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Ankur ji. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sarvosys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.